Spider's glowy feet. Sorry, I'm practicing fast songs, so there's a metronome. Turn it off. The spider has glowy feet. Look, what's he doing? Maybe it's just dust on his feet. It might be a jumping spider. I don't know. I can't tell what spider it is. Oh yeah, look, he has little glowy feet. They're diagonal from each other. Guys, we're gonna use Fly of the Bumblebee to save a spider. Okay. It's gonna be pretty fast, so we should probably get him out of here. Oh. Oh, he's on the very edge. No, no. Don't do a web. Oh, wind. Oh. There he is. He's in Flight of the Bumblebee to save a spider. There we go. Oh, come on. Okay, these guys are pretty fast. Okay, so we're gonna need to use the old cup tactic. I'm gonna go get a cup. Where'd he go? Okay, still there. Okay, so gotta use this cup and trap him, and then you put the paper underneath. Okay, there we go. And then go ahead and slide the paper underneath. And I'm not gonna apply pressure. It should be fine. Oh, come on. There you go. No. Oh, dang it. Oh, gosh, no. Got 15 minutes, could save 15% car insurance. Let's see if this does the trick. Okay. And let's slide the paper under. So we're using Bumblebee and Glyco. Perfect. Okay. I don't think he escaped. Can you open the door? Thank you very much. I don't think he escaped. Oh, he's on my hand. That scared me so bad. Oh man.